WingBoard. Sometimes our favorite childhood heroes can inspire us to make incredible discoveries. That's exactly the story behind this invention. As children, the creators of WingBoard were fascinated by the animated series Tailspin. As adults, they decided to bring this fictional vehicles to life. That's how WingBoard appeared. A board that allows you to ride on air currents. It works in a similar way to wake surfing. Except, it uses a small airplane instead of a speedboat. WingBoard is the result of a years-long working process. Of course, it wouldn't have been safe to launch this vehicle into the sky for the first time with the person. So, the first tests took place in a wind tunnel, and they were very successful. The speed of the simulated flight varied from 88 to 120 kilometers per hour. Now the specialists will continue to work in order to finally provide adrenaline junkies with a completely new way to tickle their nerves. For now, we can say that the board is made of structural foam fiberglass and carbon fiber. It's lightweight and it has a modular design too, which means it will be easy to transport. Backfire Ranger X3. Mounting an electric motor on a skateboard seems absurd, but only until you try it. Because the result is an incredibly convenient personal vehicle with a lot of advantages. The Ranger X3 from the company Backfire accelerates up to 38 km per hour, but at the same time, doesn't force its rider to constantly push off the ground with their foot. The range varies from 28 to 35 km depending on different conditions. This means that you're looking at a fully fledged vehicle which will allow you to have fun at the park or take you to work, school, or any other place you need. Its compact size allows you to take this skateboard on the public transport or carry it to the trunk of your car. Fenders protect the riders as well while traveling on dirt or slush. The ground clearance of 9.8 centimeters expands the possibilities and allows to overcome small obstacles. Thanks to the bright built-in lighting, you can safely ride it even at night. The price is $1,500. Motorized drift trike. Cool and exceptional vehicles are not always created by a team of scientist specialists in advanced workshops stuffed with all kinds of equipment. Sometimes, some of the best personal vehicles are built just by ordinary people who use the tools and materials available to them. The owner of the vehicle you see on your screen dreamt of buying a drift trike for a long time but couldn't find a suitable option, and so he just decided to build it himself. Inspired by the videos of famous stuntman Colin Furze, this self-made inventor took a BMX bike and cut everything off it. Then he attached a motor and electronic system, brakes, and exhaust system, and he got himself a real drift trike. It's low-seating, powerful, and maneuverable. Yamaha SuperJet. If you look at the markets of stand-up personal watercraft, it's not difficult to notice the dominance of the Japanese brand Yamaha. This isn't surprising either, because the models presented by the company are really good. Therefore, many brands have stopped even trying to compete with them. Yamaha SuperJet is 139 kilograms of happiness and unforgettable sensations. This 73 horsepower 700cc twin-cylinder engine, hidden inside, is considered to be one of the best in the world. The latest updated jet ski line has improved rounded deck and a narrower, longer hull. This, along with the new engine, allowed for a top speed of up to 73 km per hour. Even when the speed makes your ears pop. The Yamaha SuperJet still responds to every move, giving you a feeling of total control and incredible maneuverability. Koenigsegg Regera. To get to know the world of high-speed cars, we should definitely start with an absolute record breaker. So, here is the Koenigsegg Regera, a Swedish car that made history in September 2019. How? Well, test driver Sonny Persson did something almost impossible. He accelerated the car from north to 400 km per hour and then dropped the speed again to zero in just 31.49 seconds. That's 1.8 seconds faster than the previous record, which by the way also belongs to a car from the company Koenigsegg. The car traveled a total of 1,630 meters to reach the top speed, and the braking distance was 435 meters. All this was possible thanks to the skill of the driver, of course, as well as the high-tech components. Inside the car there's a 5-liter 1100 horsepower engine, delivering 1,280 Nm of torque. But that's not all, the total power of the engine is 1,500 horsepower. The remaining 400 are added by 3 additional electric motors. Canyon Speedmax. From the very beginning, the creators of this project set themselves a challenging and very ambitious goal to create a bicycle that would become the new standard for the entire industry. After years of hard work, their creation was finally presented in 2015, and very soon it became clear that Canyon Bicycles engineers have fulfilled their goal. So, here is Speedmax. A series of triathlon bikes with improved aerodynamics, fine-tuning for every rider and a very high level of comfort. Swiss F1 experts took part in the development using computational fluid dynamics technology. All in all, it's no surprise that the bikes in the series show the best speed performance both on flat terrain and uphill. But that's not all. The improved frame helps the rider maintain the optimum posture for high speed for much longer while getting less tired, and that, as you know, is another secret to succeed in a race. Gibbs Quadski XL. You will not have to enter any cheat codes in order to ride this quad bike on the water. The developers have already taken care of everything. They decided to combine 2 types of vehicles in one. The result is the Quadski, and you are now seeing the XL version. It has an extended body to accommodate 1 more passenger, but let's speak about its technical characteristics. The 1300cc engine allows the Quadski XL to accelerate up to 72 km/h on land, and if you think that on water the quad bike moves slower, you are mistaken because it shows the same speed. All in all, this is a vehicle that easily erases the boundaries between land and water and gives you a completely new and unforgettable recreational experience. Yamaha NIKEN. Rest assured, the last vehicle on our list today will attract the attention of everyone around. That's because Yamaha's NIKEN has a truly unique look unlike any other vehicle in world. From the outside, it looks like an ordinary aggressive motorcycle. However, everything changes when you look at it from the front. The model got a 2-wheeled front suspension, making it the first production motorcycle of this kind in the world. And of course, the suspension has more than just a decorative function. 2 movable wheels at the front gives the motorcycle rider confidence and even more control over the vehicle. No matter what the weather conditions are, the Yamaha NIKEN will maintain optimal traction, showing maneuverability and stability. It features a 3-cylinder 4-stroke 115 horsepower 847cc engine. The maximum speed is 220 km/h.